Hello there! Today we will be discussing how to use the bulk export feature on Attentive.ai's Automeasure platform. This feature allows you to export your portfolio sites directly from their respective folders. For instance, if you have a large portfolio, the properties are sent to you in a folder. Here on the measurement screen, you can see a folder containing all the sites you wish to export. To do this, simply click on the Export button next to the folder. Upon clicking, the platform will ask if you wish to generate an export for this folder. This process may take some time, and the generated export will be sent to your email. To proceed, just click. The platform will then notify you that your exports are being generated, and that you will receive an email with a download link soon. It's as simple as that. Another method of exporting is by clicking on the checkbox next to the folder. This reveals the Export button. The difference here is that you can choose the format in which you want the export. For instance, if you want the export in Excel format, click on Excel. Ensure all the features are included and then click on Send to Email. Once your takeoff is completed, it will be sent to you in Excel format. Another interesting feature is the ability to export multiple folders at once. By selecting these two folders, you can click on Export and choose to export these two folders together to your email in any of the formats that you prefer. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for joining us.